కృష్ణా రివర్ బోర్డ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ సమావేశం ముగిసింది. జలాల వినియోగంపై రెండు రాష్ట్రాలు తమ వాదనలు వినిపించాయి. మీటింగ్ తర్వాత కొన్ని కీలక ఆదేశాలు ఇచ్చింది బోర్డు. రెండు రాష్ట్రాలు కొత్త ప్రాజెక్టుల డిపిఆర్లు ఇవ్వాలని ఆదేశించింది. దీనికి రెండు రాష్ట్రాల అధికారులు ఒప్పుకున్నారు. గతేడాదిలాగే ఈసారి 66:34 రేషియోలో నీళ్లు పంచుకోవాలని అంగీకారానికి వచ్చారు. శ్రీశైలం ప్రాజెక్టులో కరెంటును చెరో సగం పంచుకోవాలని కూడా నిర్ణయం తీసుకున్నారు. అలాగే 2019-20 ఏడాది మిగులు జలాలను చెరిసగం వాడుకోవాలని బోర్డు మీటింగ్లో నిర్ణయించారు.
Water during the current water year. In the last 3 years, the water was shared in the ratio of 66 and 34 between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, excluding minor irrigation and diversion of Godavari waters. This year, they have agreed to continue the same ratio of sharing till finalization of decision regarding minor irrigation and diversion of Godavari waters to Krishna River. Both the states have agreed the importance of telemetry phase 2 and they have agreed to make available necessary funds to go ahead with implementation of telemetry phase 2. Regarding a power sharing at Srisailam project between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, it was agreed to share in the ratio of 50-50 between AP and Telangana during the current year. This is same as the previous year's agreements. There was a request by the state governments to exempt utilizations made by the states during flooding period when all the systems were surplusing, because you know that in the last water year in 2019-20 there was a lot of surplus water that has flown into the sea. During that period they wanted to share the water of that surplus water that has flown, and it was to be decided in what ratio it was to be shared. For that purpose a committee was constituted under the chairmanship of one chief engineer in Central Water Commission, New Delhi, with members from both the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and Krishna River Management Board. Tentatively it was agreed to share that surplus water in the ratio of 50 and 50 between AP and Telangana till finalization of the issue by that committee. Certain data was to be given by the states to the committee, and we have requested the committee, the states to give the data, and they have agreed, and we will request the committee to expedite the decision so that the sharing of surplus waters will be decided. Nagarjuna Sagar left canal serves both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, so there was an issue of sharing of losses when the water in Nagarjuna left canal serves both the states when the water is flowing. Observations were made in the previous years also by a committee formed by officials of Krishna River Management Board and officials of both the states. That board decided to continue the observations of losses in the Nagarjuna left canal during the current water year also. There was an issue regarding accounting of only 20% of withdrawals made towards domestic water supply as consumptive use. It was agreed to refer the matter to Central Water Commission to decide on the matter issue. Regarding use of carryover part of water share of Telangana and Srisailam Nagarjuna Sagar projects, the government of Telangana's contention to account it as a part of allocation in previous water year. The matter will be discussed after getting views of government of AP. There was an issue of sharing of waters diverted from Godavari to Krishna basin to be shared between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. This has been referred to Ministry of Jal Shakti, and the views of Ministry of Jal Shakti are awaited. There was a demand by government of Andhra Pradesh to shift the headquarters for KRMB as per the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014. The AP government has asked the board to shift the headquarters to its capital city. In the earlier meeting taken by Ministry of Home Affairs on the issues arising out of AP Reorganization Act, it was decided that final decision regarding shifting of headquarters will be taken by Minister of Jal Shakti, and this matter was also discussed in earlier meetings, etc. And this issue will be referred to our Union Ministry of Jal Shakti for appropriate decision regarding shifting of headquarters.